Hi there. Today, we're showcasing the 3 light bathroom light fixtures in black gold with clear glass shades. These modern vanity lights feature a sleek, elegant design with a scratch and tarnish-resistant coating for lasting beauty. The durable, heat-resistant E26 ceramic sockets support bulbs up to 60 watts and are dimmable with compatible bulbs and dimmer switches. Installation is quick and easy with included hardware and instructions, fitting standard US junction boxes. The versatile design allows for upward or downward installation, perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, hallways, and more. Upgrade your space with these stylish and functional wall lamps that complement various decor styles. Enjoy flexible and reliable lighting that enhances any room's ambiance. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.